Oh, gross. It's so nice, guys. Interesting. Slime, I really like slime. It's really easy to make, so I make it all the time. Hello, my name's Sholah and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm trying different ingredients in slime. So I've got 3 different ingredients. I've got icing sugar, plain flour, and white sugar. So I've never actually tried these in slime before. I'm kind of interested in how it will work. So I'm just making normal slime with glue, borax, and I'm also going to be using some food colouring, some pink food colouring, and obviously my Sholah slime mixing bowl and my mixing spoon. So I'm going to be adding these all together. So yeah, let's get making it. First I'm going to add some glue, probably quite a lot of glue because I'm going to probably add quite a lot of the ingredients. Comment down below if you've added these in slime before, because it's very interesting if you have. Okay, that should be good. I got quite a lot of glue in here, so I can add all of that stuff. Then I'll add about, oh gosh, a lid of pink food colouring, because it probably will go very light when I add the flour and stuff. I might have done flour before. No, I haven't. I've only done corn flour. I've never done sugar, that's for sure. I haven't done any of them, but I really don't know how the sugar's going to work. It's probably going to make it a bit like, oh, it's going to be weird. Oh, this is a very pretty colour. It's a bit of a baby pink. So, oh, it'll be alright. I don't need much more, it'll be fine. First, I'm going to add the icing sugar. I don't know why. Just want to see how it goes. Okay, to make this into slime, then when it's slime, add the ingredients. All in different batches, because it would be kind of weird when I add it all at the same time. It might be a bit different. Ooh, that was a bit too much. So I will speed it up until it's slime. I'm gonna wanna keep it a bit sticky so everything sticks in. I think the worst slime, I'm gonna guess this. You guys comment down below too. I think the worst slime might be the sugar. So comment down below which one you think it will be, then we'll see at the end. I feel like it's gonna be the sugar though. So comment down below and don't cheat to see which one will be the worst. Also maybe icing sugar, I'm not too sure, it might melt, but flour might make it a bit stiff. I really don't know. Say if the icing sugar makes it melt, then I guess that's the worst because the slime is gone. So yeah. Okay, I'll speed it up again until it's completely slime. Okay, so the slime is made. I just got it out of the table, but it's just a little bit sticky. Oops. So, but that's good. I'm going to have to split it up. I'm gonna have a think. Which one shall I do first? I guess flour. flour because I think it's going to work out the best. I might say that, but then it could work out the worst. If it does, that's going to be really funny. Ooh, this slime's really nice. I don't really want to ruin it. Okay, anyway, I have to. Hopefully it won't ruin it, but yeah. That will be good. And that. Oh, God. That one's a bit too little. Add a bit more. That's good. First one will be flour. Oh, I'm not too sure how this is going to work. Okay. Ooh. That should be enough for now. Oh my gosh, this was so nice. Ooh. Okay. Once I added Play-Doh to slime and it melted, and that was a bit funny, but oh, it's going a bit sticky. Don't know how, because when you add flour to Play-Doh, it goes obviously less sticky, but I guess slime and flour are different things. Slime and Play-Doh are different things, so I can't really say that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my gosh, this is weird. Oh, no. Okay, let's pick all the flour up. Oh god. This feels weird. It's not really like doing anything. It's making it a bit stickier, which is not very good. So it's like salt, I think. Does this have salt in? I really don't know, but if it does, that's why it's going sticky, because I know salt makes slime sticky, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. This one did not go very well. It's not... I think it got on my lips. It's not really a slime, so I'll just see you back when it's activated, because I'm not going to put my hands in these two slimes, otherwise it's going to be a bit gross. Yeah. Guys, so I've activated the flour slime, and now it's actually really nice. So that one will probably be the winner. Well, I'm not too sure yet, but it's actually really good. It's like sticky. Yeah, still a bit sticky, but I'll move that to the side now. It's quite nice. Now I'll do, oh, this one's quite sticky. I'm doing icing sugar now, so I have a feeling it's going to really, really melt. So I'll put a bit of the activator with me. Gosh, that was not expected. Let's put it in the slime. Going to have to pick some up and get the slime to get some of it, since the slime's still a bit sticky. By the way guys, I did not mean to do that much. just do a little bit. Let's add the icing sugar. Oh my god. There we go. But, oh gosh. I'm going to have some. I love icing sugar. Oh, I was just touching borax. That was probably a bit of a bad idea. Oh no. I'm very scared. Just to let you know, because I have a feeling this is going to really melt. I'm not mixing with 2 hands in case it does melt. Well, I've got borax with me, so it probably won't melt. Ooh, gross. It's so nice, guys. Totally nice. Love it. Scrumptious. Well, as I knew, that one did not work. Interesting. So I'm going to say it's completely interesting. Ooh. Oh, so gross. I'm just going to try to make this back into slime. Just need it so it all combines together. And so it's not all yucky. Oh my god, this is so gross. Oh my gosh, guys. Well, I'll speed it up until the slime is slime. Okay, so now it's formed into slime, but it's a bit of a putty. It's quite nice though, so the icing sugar didn't really do much, probably because I had lots of borax on the table. So it's really nice though. And at the end I'm probably going to mix them all together. So, oh no, I don't know what to. Okay, now I've got a whole bunch of borax on the table, so I'm just going to get all the borax out with the slime. And now it's time to do sugar. Knead it into the borax a bit so the borax doesn't get in everywhere. Okay. Gosh. Okay. Gross. Gross, gross, gross. This is my towel. Now I'm going to add the sugar. Gosh, that should be. I don't really want to do too much. Oh, gross. It's gross. Ooh, it's going in my fingernails. I knew it. Sugar was going to be the worst. So I wonder what you commented down below which one was going to be the worst. I haven't actually kneaded this one much in, but I can already tell it's going to be gross. Because you can feel the sugar, and I didn't even do that much sugar in it, so. Well, I would say, oh, I still got sugar on my hands, so I don't want to touch them. I would say the flour was the winner. Flour was like a fluffy slime, it's really nice. And icing sugar was a putty. I don't know why. Probably because of the borax that I had. And then sugar was a fail. But I'll stretch it, it's just gross. And I know you guys can't feel it, but it's got loads of gross pieces of sugar in. So yeah. You comment down below which one you think was the best, the flour one. which is really nice and stretchy. It's quite fluffy, must admit. Fluffy. And it also changed the colour to really light pink. Or you've got the patty slime, which was the icing sugar. It's quite not really stretchy. So it's a nice poke. And it's quite a nice slime. And then this one. So please like, subscribe and comment down below, and bye!